Hello, welcome to my tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you a quick guide on how you can solve any mathematical question with AI. The best way to solving mathematical questions using ChatGPT. Alright, as a student, probably you have an assignment that you want to solve and you're finding it difficult. I think you can make AI your friend. Yeah, AI can guide you while at home. Okay, in a situation whereby your teacher or your guidance is far from you or they are far from you, you can employ AI to quickly help you solve any mathematical question. Alright, let's go there. Open your browser and type there ChatGPT. Alright, just open ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very user-friendly depending on the question that you ask. Alright, it is a two-dimensional communication whereby you ask ChatGPT what you want and it will reply automatically. Okay, let's go there. What mathematical problem would you want to resolve? Okay, let's ask ChatGPT to help us solve a simple quadratic equation. Alright, let's go there. Hi. And ChatGPT reply, how can I assist you today? Okay, now you go ahead and say, can you help generate a quadratic equation? Okay, you ask ChatGPT and look at the reply. Of course, quadratic equations have the form. ChatGPT is actually an AI. Okay, it can teach you what you do not know. So as a student, you need to employ ChatGPT to help you resolve some mathematical challenges. Okay, let's go there. Now I want to ask ChatGPT, kindly generate one question. Okay. And say, sure, here is a quadratic equation for you. 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Now, let me know if you need any further assistance. Of course, you want to resolve that question. Okay, now, can you solve it using any method? Perhaps you already know the method. If you do not know, ChatGPT will now bring forth the method. Any method? Let's go there. Sure, we can solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, let's go through. You need to go through if it is correct or not. Sure, we can solve this equation, this quadratic equation, using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is given by x equals, okay, minus b plus or minus, okay, square root of b raised to power 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright, that is the almighty formula for solving a quadratic equation. So for the equation 2a raised to power 2 minus 5x plus 3 equals 0, we have a equal to, we are assigning, alright, this is assignment, variable assignment, and b equal minus 5 and c equal 3. Plug in these values in the quadratic formula. It's just simple. Okay, now if you do not know what exactly ChatGPT is doing here. Here A equal to, if you're just new to mathematics, you cannot ask ChatGPT, can you explain, can you explain your arrival? Can you explain your arrival? Okay, let's see then.
Certainly, to solve the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0, I use the quadratic formula, which is a method for finding the solutions, root of a quadratic equation. The equation formula is, that's the equation formula where a, b, and c are the coefficient of the quadratic equation, ax raised to power 2, all right, plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, in this equation, that is the explanation. You go through it. I plug these values into, that's the point I wanted you to see. I plug this value into the quadratic formula and solved to find the solutions. All right, if you don't know how to tackle or how to ask a ChatGPT appropriately, you cannot find this explanation. It is quite express for anybody to understand. All right, now let's move on to another question. Perhaps you want to learn what? Let's look at a linear equation. All right, this time let's ask ChatGPT to solve a linear equation. All right, remember we just did quadratic equation. Now let's go into linear equation. Let's ask ChatGPT, can you solve a linear equation? Okay, look at it. Of course, please provide a linear equation you would like me to solve. All right, now ChatGPT will provide us the equation. Now let's ask ChatGPT provide just one question. Provide just one question. Let's find out the question. Sure, here is a linear equation for you to solve. 3x plus 5 equals 11. All right. Okay. Now solve with description. Okay. Solve with description to solve the equation. That's it. Look at that. To solve the equation 3x plus 5 equals 11, number 1, subtract 5 from both sides to isolate the term with x. 3x plus 5 minus 5, just like that. Okay, 3x equals this. Then finally divide both sides by 3 to solve for x. Final answer is 2. So the solution to the equation is 2. Now can we just proceed to another mathematics, another problem automatically? Let's go into set. Can we solve set problems? Okay, can we solve set problems? Certainly, feel free to provide a set problem and I'll do my best to solve it. Okay, now tell ChatGPT to provide, unless you have an assignment that you want to solve, you can just key in there. Okay, for instance, now if I want ChatGPT to solve for me, let's say, okay, set A equals, okay, set A equals what? Let's find out. Equals 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4, and you close the bracket and there, and then put comma there, and set B is equal Okay, set right. That's it. Equals 2 and 3 and 5. Okay, and let's find out something. Now, what's the question there that we want to solve? Now, find their intersection inter what? Intersection of the two sets. Let's find out something. Look at that. To find the intersection of set A and B, set A equals like this. Have you seen how ChatGPT rearrange it in a way that it is very accurate with commas? All right, that is how it should be. Set B equals 2, 3, and 5. Now the intersection of both set is the set of elements that are common to both set. Okay, that's how set is. So the intersection of set A and B is 2 and 3. When you look carefully, we have 2 in set A and we have what? 3 in set A, and we also have 2 and 3 in set A. Now, question number 2. Question 2. All right. Tell ChatGPT find the union. Find the union. All right. That's it. To find the union, look at that. To find the union of set A and B, set A, all right, the union of two set is the set that contains all the elements that are in either set or in the board. Okay, so the union of set A and B is, look at that, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's all. What else do you want to solve? Maybe inequality. Okay, let's tell them ChatGPT, can we proceed to inequality? All right, AI is the generation of AI now is helpful. Actually, sometimes you can, if you know how to manipulate AI, you can just be at home and help teach yourself. When you resume on a weekday, you discover that you will be sharp in the class. So as a student, employ AI and learn more. Okay, of course, if you have any inequality problem, okay, let's go ahead and tell ChatGPT provide us one. Provide one. Okay, come on, look at that. Sure, here is an inequality problem. Solve for x. 2x plus 3 less than 9. Okay, you can solve this. If you don't know how to solve it, just tell ChatGPT solve with explanation. That is the best way to tell ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT solve with explanation. Okay, with that, telling ChatGPT to solve with explanation, with that you will be able to know accurately or adequately what it entails in solving inequality problem. Look at that. To solve the inequality problem, to solve the inequality 2x plus 3 less than 9, then number 1, subtract 3 from both sides. These are the explanation. It's telling you what to do. Okay, from both sides, and that, and finally divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. Okay, that's it. X is less than 3. So the solution to the inequality is x is less than 3. Okay, that is it. And I want to draw the curtain down here right now, and probably maybe in subsequent time we will employ ChatGPT to solve more mathematical problems for us. For today, I would like you to go and make and practice what you have learned so far and come back with your testimony. I will be waiting for you at the comment section, and I would like you to say something if you have learned anything from this video. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel.